Hello everyone! Today I will share the recipe for what has become my favorite ice cream. It's been months since I last bought ice cream from the store because this recipe is just that good. Okay, here are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. 60 grams of cocoa powder, 400 grams or 1 standard can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of instant espresso coffee, 1 pinch of salt, and 600 grams of good quality heavy whipping cream. You will also need a large bowl to combine the ingredients, a container to store the ice cream in the freezer, and I sometimes use the bread baking tray and sometimes the 4-ounce ramekins, and in my opinion the bread baking tray works way better. Alright, start by slowly adding the cocoa powder into the condensed milk and continuously mix so there are no bumps and the mixture is nice, smooth and consistent. About halfway through, add the pinch of sea salt, the teaspoon of instant espresso coffee, the teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then continue with the cocoa powder. And this is just about the consistency we're looking for, nice and smooth and bumps free. For the next step, you will need a KitchenAid, otherwise it will take you half a day to beat the heavy whipping cream by hand. I've never tried, but I assume it takes a long time if it takes 6 minutes with the KitchenAid. Start at the lowest speed on your KitchenAid and gradually increase it as the heavy whipping cream thickens. It took me full 6 minutes to achieve the desired thickness. But be careful because you can actually overdo it and the heavy whipping cream will start turning liquidish again. Next, mix the heavy whipping cream with the cocoa powder mix and stir it very well until the two are completely combined and incorporated. The final step is to pour the mixture in a container of your choice. For some reason, in my opinion, the ice cream tastes quite a bit better when stored in a bread baking tray. I do not know why, but it does. I have done the ramekins twice because it was for guests and both times I could taste the difference. And now the hardest part of this recipe, waiting for the ice cream for 4 hours while in the freezer. The first time I made this ice cream, I was having a spoonful every 30 minutes to see if it's ready, and by the end of the 4th hour I ate about half of it. Anyway, be prepared to wait for 4 hours after you're done and believe me, you will have what in my opinion is the best ice cream ever. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.